Alright, so we were finishing up 18, where we were working on. So we took 380 divided by 60, mark up our zeros because we had one in each spot. And then how many times does 6 go into 38? 6 times, so that's 36. 2. So 2 and, or 6 and 2, 6, right? Which, how much actually is that word time? 2 and 30 hours. Well, so basically, we would get, if we wanted 6 over 6e, right, because there's 60 minutes, okay? So what would I have to do on the bottom? If I did times 10, times 10, I have to do that on the top. So that would actually be 20, right? So it would be 6 hours, 20 minutes, right? So is 1/3 of an hour 20 minutes? Yes. Okay. So we're starting at, so we're going to do our number line. We're starting at what? 9:30 a.m. Okay. We have to go ahead. How many hours? So 1 hour would get us what? 10:30 a.m. Another hour would get us what? 11:30 a.m. So I need 6 hours, right, guys? So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are all 1 hour. Okay, so then that gets us 11:30 a.m. That gets us 12:30 what? p.m. Then that gets us 1:30 p.m. That gets us what? 2:30 p.m. And then that gets us 3:30 p.m. And then we need to go ahead another what? 20 seconds. Not 20 seconds. 20 minutes. Okay, and then another 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, and that gives us what? 3:50 p.m. Okay. 19, the start time was 10:45 a.m. and the end time was 6 hours and 15 minutes. So we need to draw our number line, our elapsed timeline. So we start at 10:45 a.m. and then we want to make it to what? 6:15 p.m. Okay. So if I go ahead 1 hour, that gets me what? 11:45 a.m. Okay, another hour gets me what? 12:45 p.m. Another hour is what? 1:45 p.m. Another hour is what? 2:45 p.m. Okay, another hour is what? Another hour is what? 4:45 p.m. Another hour is what? Can I go another hour? No. So how far is it from 4:45 to 6:15? 30 minutes. So from here to here is 30 minutes. So how many hours do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 hours and 7 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Now the other one, they give us the lapsed time. So are we going to go forward or go backwards? Backwards, right? Okay. 8 and 1/6 hours is also equal to 8 hours. And then 1/6, so 6 times 10 gets us 60. So what I do on the bottom, I do on the top. So 1 times 10 is 10. So 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we need to go back 8 hours and 10 minutes, right? Okay, so we have our line. Okay, we started at 3:30 p.m., right? I go back 1 hour, that gets me what? Gets me 2:30 p.m., right? Go back an hour, that gets me, go back another hour, that gets me 12:30 p.m. Go back another hour, that gets me 11:30 a.m., right? Back another hour, that gets me 10:30 a.m. So another hour, that gets me 9:30 a.m. Another hour, that gets me, whoops, 8:30 a.m. How many have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So another hour, that gets me 7:30 a.m. And then how much more? That's all my hours. Then I need to go back 10 minutes. So what's 10 minutes before 7:30? 7:20 a.m. So 7:20 a.m. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mark on 25 through 27, okay, just because of time. So looking at 21 though, okay, they want so many years compared to so many weeks, okay? So basically what I could just do is I could take over here, we know that there's 52 weeks in a year, so I could take 52 over 1 times what? 3 over 2, and this would be 1 and 26. Mentally, 3 times 6 is 18, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 1.5 years is less than 80 weeks. Okay, minutes compared to hours. So how many minutes are there in an hour? 60. So 80 times 60 is what, guys? 480. What is 1/4 of an hour? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So 480 plus 15 equals 495 minutes. So 500 minutes is greater than 8 1/4 hours. Okay, next one. How many seconds are there in an hour? There's 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes. There's 60 seconds in a minute and there are 60 minutes in an hour. So how many? 360. Okay. Or no? 3,600. Yeah, 3,600. Okay. Because you have to add 2 zeros because you have 36 plus 2 zeros. So we can take what? 3,600 times 2, which gives us what? 0, 0, 2, 1. So 7,200, right? Okay. But what is 1/5 of the 3,600? So technically what we should have just done, guys, is take 3,600 times 2 point what? 2.2, right? Because 1/5 is what? 1/5 is 1/12. No. 1/5 is also 2/10, right? Okay, and we put it in that way. So 0, 0, 2, 1, 7. Okay, 0, 0, 2. I forgot to put my holding spot, guys. So I can move to the 10th. So it'd be 0 and then 2, 7, add 1 decimal place. So they are what?
They're even.
They're equal. So 2 1/5 hours is equal to 7,920 seconds. Okay, 1 week compared to 180 hours. So how many hours are there in a day?
24.
How many days are there in a week?
7.
So 24 times 7. So 8, carry the 2. 7 times 2 is
14.
plus 2 is
16.
so 168. So 1 week is
Less
less than 180 hours.